Let's prepare you for some safe and easy digging. The PXC Planting and Digging Tool is quite powerful and can dig some really deep holes. Before you get started, make sure you inspect the area you're going to work in. Stay clear of any gas, water or electrical conduit or any other obstructions. Whenever you combine a high-powered battery with a brushless motor, you'll need to prepare yourself before you turn the machine on. Position yourself with your feet shoulder width apart and with your knees slightly bent. Keep a firm grip on the handles. Turn the tool on away from the surface and move slowly into the soil. Then just be ready for the torque or the twisting force. When digging a hole, clear it regularly to save yourself some heavy lifting and to get the result you'll be happy with. As a general rule, when digging a hole for a post, the depth of the hole should be a third to half the full length of the post. And as usual, refer back to any installation guides. As a rule, for extra stability, the width of the hole should be 3 times the diameter of the post, but refer to any installation guide you might have. So when it comes to planting in the garden, this tool is best for pot plant sizes up to 150 mil. If you're planting trees or shrubs that are a little tall, using a tool like this will help your new addition to the garden not fall over in the wind and encourage deep root growth. And best of all, this tool is powered by a PXC 18V battery. And with a 4 amp hour, you'll get up to 35 holes in no time at all. So you can plant that garden and start enjoying your new fence.